Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing an update of my beauty room. So if you want to see exactly how my beauty room looks now from a year ago, please continue to watch. Okay, coming into the beauty room. I want to close the door so you can see what's behind the door. Those are Audrey Hepburn's eyes. At least that's what they say. See, I got a thing where I got my purses, some of my purses, bags hanging. And this is I guess you can say it's a shoe bag, but I put whatnots in them. And the thing I need, that's behind the door. I got this little white furry carpet coming in, garbage can. Then I have these stands, and I have those come from IKEA. Little things on that, palettes, shoes, some Fenty, casyork palette. Okay, then this is where I do my videos at, in this area. And as you can see, I have an Alex 5 drawer on both sides. I have a chair, my desk. I have my iPad, my lights. And that's the other IKEA 5 drawer. Like I said, I have me a monitor right there. Little stuff on my table that I need when I'm doing my videos. And you might not can see what that says in the back. Let me see, can I move it? It says, let me see. Let me see, can I say it? See it. Okay. A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. Coco Chanel. That's what that is. Put that back where it was. So that's how that is. Then I have some more Alex drawers. IKEA stands. Same thing on them. Lipstick, palettes, shoes, purses, jewelry, whatnot. My little wig stand. And also in every one of these containers, I still have the glosses in there. I have the lipstick and gloss in that. I still have Jack and Anna palette is inside here. And I also got ABH palettes in here. Each palette in there. So when I need to use them, I do get them out. But other than that, I keep them there. Yep. And that's a Lancome palette right there. And as you can see, I got all my different kind of palettes here too. Okay. Okay. Then we go here. Y'all can see me in the mirror. This is my mirror. Okay. Go around. As you can see right there, that's my skincare station. Y'all can see that picture right there. Me and my husband had that taken at the fair. So that's another saying, is that live every moment. And it's got life, you can't see it, love, and something else. But anyway, that's what's up there, but you can't really see it because of all my fragrances. Okay, now right here is my computer station. That's where I sit and edit. But I got to get me another computer because my computer torn up as well as my laptop. So right now I'm just editing and everything on my iPhone. You have to do what you got to do until you can do better. So those are my fragrances. Right here are some of my fall wardrobe that I did a haul on, and I also did a video on these pieces too. Okay, now this is my closet. So as you can see in my closet, I have my Bath and Body Works station, as well as more fragrances. And it's another saying: be who you are, not who people want you to be. But you can't really see the bottom because of that Bath and Body. But I'm gonna go out and you can see the entrance to it. I got a saying up there. Also, a smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Marilyn Monroe. Then I had a little sign that said, I love makeup. So you can see that's the closet. I had my husband to take the hinges off. Thought it'd be better like that. Then I get over here in the corner and you can see how this look from this angle. Yep. And also in this Alex 9 drawer, I have different things in it. Also, you can see I have them named, so everything that's on it, inside each drawer, is on it. And then on top, I still have the palette inside here. There's my Game of Thrones palette. There's my Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. And also right here, I got my balls for when I take a bath and stuff. These in here is little whatnot, some samples and all that kind of stuff in there. Then here is a mirror. And inside the mirror, you open it up and it is my jewelry whatnot. That's where I keep all my jewelry. And it's nothing expensive. All of it cheap, whatnot jewelry. So nothing expensive. Yep. Close it back. Let me lock it. This is a key right here where you can lock it. Yep, you lock it right there. And we back in the front again. But I'm gonna move all the way back so y'all can really see how it looks on this side. Okay, I'm going to turn around and go this way so y'all can have an overview of everything. So y'all can see how everything looks. Now, if you all want a deep, another video to let you know what I have in my Alex drawers, just let me know and I will do a video on that. And if you all want a video on my fragrances, on my fragrance collection, let me know and I will do a fragrance collection video as well. So far as my candles, bath and body stuff, I think I got a little video already on the candles, but if y'all want to see a video on all my Bath and Body Works stuff, just let me know and I can do that also. But like I said, comment in the bottom section of this video and I will do upcoming videos on any and everything that you all would like to see for the coming year. This is going to be a new year, 2020, and I hope to really throw out some great footage on videos for you all. I'm expecting great things this year. And also I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing. And I also want to thank those who've been with me since I first started out. I really do appreciate all that you all do. And continue to like my videos as well as watch my videos. And I do have 2 upcoming giveaways coming up. I'm going to give away 2 boxes of beauty products. And I'm also going to give away 2 fragrances. So that'll be 2 fragrances and 2 beauty packages. So if you all want to get in on those giveaways, those upcoming giveaway, we are going to start with this video, which means that you all going to have to make sure that you all subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as subscribe to me on Instagram. And comment at the bottom section of this video about the giveaway. Just say, add me to the giveaway. And also on Instagram, say the same thing. Add me to the giveaway. And I will be doing that giveaway real soon. Like I say, probably in the next 4 videos, I will start the giveaway. So, well, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this little quick video on my beauty room. It's just one of my spare bedrooms, and my husband turned it into a space for me, which I really do appreciate it. Yes, I do. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.